Alright YouTube, welcome back. What's going on? Bam from Bam's Gaming is here today to bring you another tutorial. Now what I'm going to be doing today is showing you guys how to make a Garry's Mod dedicated server. Very popular thing. A lot of people want to know how to do it, and once again, just like the Minecraft server, it's really not that complicated, and I'm going to run you through it step by step. So the links to all these websites will be in the description. Well, the first thing you're going to do is pull up Google, search up SteamCMD. Alright. Once you have SteamCMD, you click on the first thing. Excuse me. You download it right here. I'll put this direct link in the description as well in case you don't want to go to the website. You open up the RAR file. I'll leave a link. Leave a link to WinRAR. My bad, guys, and in the description. And you're just gonna call a folder gmod server. Drop the file in there. Now, here's what's gonna happen. You're gonna go in here, open this up, run it. It's gonna do all this. It'll create some files within your folder. It may take a minute, guys, so I'm just gonna pause you till it's done doing this. Alright guys, welcome back. It was actually pretty quick, but I just wanted to do it anyways, not waste time. Alright, it's on the Garry's Mod wiki, I'll just link it directly down below. If you guys don't follow what I'm doing, just go and read this. Once you have the command prompt open and you can see Steam here, everything's downloaded, type in log and anonymous. It'll connect you to the Steam public anonymously. Once that's done, it'll take it a second. Alright, then next. If you want to specify a root to, or like a directory to download it to, say like a folder that isn't on your desktop, or you just don't want it to install randomly to your desktop, or it's going to install on this folder, but say you just want SteamCMD in this folder and you want it to install in, say, like League or something, you have a file like that, you would type in this command right here. I'm not going to go through that because I'm just here to show you guys how to install it quickly. You do app_update. This is how to download the server. 4020 validate, and the validate is there to make sure it downloads all the files. Now guys, this could take about an hour or more, and you might want to go for a walk or something. I of course came pre-prepared for this. I'm not going to make you guys sit here and wait for me to download this because I don't have that much time. I have limited time, so I myself have to kind of rush through this. I'm just gonna close it out, and what you guys will see after cancel, what you guys will see after you have it downloaded is all this. You might not notice any change, but you're gonna look for the Steam apps folder. Go to Common, Garry's Mod DS. Here's your server. Well, not yet. This is just all the files. If you go in the Garry's Mod, here are all the files. You can drag and drop your add-ons in here, like file add-ons, as this is a custom DarkRP server. And I'll get into how to make DarkRP servers and such in the future. If you guys want it, request it down below. If so, anyways, and I'll get into how to link the workshop too. Alright, so yeah, game modes, if you want a custom game mode, all that stuff, config. Now here's important. Once the server is downloaded and done and everything, and you're in this folder, you're going to open up the config. Here's where it gets kind of confusing. This is your host name if you want, password for the console, the game mode default will be sandbox. You don't have to worry about all this stuff, guys, but yeah, actually, I forget, Garry's Mod isn't like other games, so that was not as bad as it used to be. I remember it used to be pretty hard to get this to work right. Once all that's done, and you have this all set up how you want to, and you have a map, it's going to automatically be on flat grass. You guys might know that from playing in single player. The next thing you might do, say, your computer doesn't freeze. If you're running like a DarkRP server, you create a shortcut with custom variables. Say you wanted more players, and here, like, I'll give you guys an example. I don't think it's gonna let me open these because they're so old. Like, it's weird. Alright, so properties, and you right click on it and go to properties, by the way, guys. Now this is important. We'll get to this in a second. This, just always put in your command line. I'm going to copy and paste my command line down below. I'm going to change this to sandbox for everybody. Max players. This is where you can set the max players, game mode, and this always needs to be this way. And this is where you set the map. I'm going to set it to flat grass for everyone. And I'm going to put this launch code down in the description for everybody to follow. Alright, and it's that simple. Oh wait, yeah, I moved the file. I gotta change this. This is what this is the irritating part of it. Alright, there you go. Fixed. So this is, I'll leave that down in the description, in the launch code. And once that's done, everything's done. I mean, this isn't very hard, guys. You have all that downloaded. You're just going to open up your srcds. Just ignore all this. Hit start server. Now while this is starting, if this pops up, hit allow. I'm going to forewarn you, some users may not be able to run this as well while they play Garry's mod. The server may lag. I don't know, guys. It's all on who you are. You do have to port forward the server. So let me get into this. You're going to type in CMD in your Windows thing down there. I don't know what they call that. Your Windows search bar. Type in ipconfig in the Windows, or in the command prompt. This right here, IPv4 address under wireless LAN adapter. That's the thing you're going to need. Now, you're also going to need the default gateway, whatever that says. Let's type that in on Google. For me, it's this. Oh, I typed it in wrong. Yep. Well, because I have Xfinity. And default logins are usually admin and password. For, you know, username, admin, password. You're going to head down to advanced. And port forwarding. You're going to add a service. Service name, whatever you want. Server IP address, the IPv4 address right here under wireless LAN adapter. No. Start port 27015. End port 27015. Save. Alright. That's going to happen to me. I can't really fix that, but when most of you guys click save, it's going to go and it's going to take you back to this page and it'll show it right here. My bad, guys. I didn't realize my router was broken again. Now, once that's done, you guys are going to need a different IP for your friends to connect. That's where this comes in. You open up Google tab, go to whatismyip.com. Right here. Your IP should pop up. That's the IP you give to your friends to connect. Once all that's done, server is still starting for me because it's got a bunch of add-ons. I guess while it's starting, I'll show you guys how to link the workshop. Actually, no, I'll do that in a separate video. I'm sorry. It's just, that's a lot of time. Alright, and there you go, guys. Server's done. I'm not going to launch Garry's mod. It's just a lot of trouble. It's to see it's in sandbox. I probably typed in the map wrong, or I think I have an auto run set up for that because this was a dedicated server. And there you go, guys. Simple as that. I will leave a pre-made server down in the description. And, yeah, I'll figure it out. But, thanks for watching, guys. Links will be down in the description. Probably not a pre-made server. But if you need, oh yeah, I can't do a pre-made server. Sorry, I keep getting distracted. But, yeah, if you guys need anything, comment. I'll answer your questions. Please rate, comment, subscribe. See you all next time.